What is up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in. I want to review and talk about what we discussed for November 19th, 2018. I told you guys there are three most important things that you're going to always have to remember when doing your workout. That is your date sum, your mirror numbers, and your traveling numbers. For those of you who understand the workout or understood where I was coming from, congratulations to you, you got it. But for those of you who did not understand, let's go over this thing, alright? Let's get this thing right, because you guys are going to have to learn about them traveling numbers and them date sums. Mirror numbers, they're really less important, but you always got to keep them in mind, because sometimes you have to use that number to find your hit, okay? If you direct your attention to the workout, I told you guys to do 129, the previous hit, on the 369 method. Now, some people got the date sum mixed up. I guess they was adding 1 to the last digit of the day in the month. But you have to add the month and the day together. 11 plus 18 equals whatever, which will be 29. Okay? You direct your attention to 501. You can see that 5 is on the left side, which means your hit digit starts on the right side. Now, I want to tell you guys this. 901. Keep your eyes on 901, because 9 plus 1 equals 10, and then you have 10 itself. Okay? That is always gonna, well, not always, but it's gonna throw you off from time to time, because they will choose 901. And by the way, that number is way overdue. Okay? But sometimes they will choose it. Okay? Now this is where it gets a little strange. That 0. Sometimes when the 0 is in between 1 and 9, it means that 1 or 9 is your digit. Okay? Now, November the 19th, 2018, daytime hit was 984. And I keep telling you guys, traveling numbers are very important. You have to keep your eyes on traveling numbers. Check this out. That 5 is on the left side, right? Okay, so on the right side you see 901. Automatically you're thinking that it's a 0, but it doesn't exist. A 0 is really nothing. So automatically it's gonna be a 901, which they did choose 9. Now if you follow 9 back up, it gave you the hit in exact order. Okay? And sometimes I like when the date sums are right there by each other. It's telling you, like, look very carefully in this area because I'm right here, you know? If you also look at the 8 underneath 5 on the left side, and you follow that 8 up probably one row, it still takes you directly to the hit either way. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're doing your workout to 369. Zeros sometimes mean empty space. I just wanted to point that out to you guys. Comment, let me know if you have any more questions, and I will try to help you to the best of my ability. Thank you and good luck.